Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, where we have a jam-packed Tundra compilation for you guys to enjoy today. Quite a few third generation Tundras and some second gen as well, so keep on watching to see what we do. First one here is a white third generation Tundra. We just did a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series setup on this one with Icon billet upper control arms. For the wheels and tires on this one, we went with some 35-inch BFG KO2s on some Method MR305s.
This Tundra is now complete, so we're going to bring it out for a quick test drive. Next up, we have a Lunar Rock. This is also a third generation Tundra Limited. It's a TRD Off-Road 4x4. This one's in for our very popular Dobinson IMS suspension lift with Icon billet Delta Joint Pro upper control arm setup. We have these setups pre-packaged on our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com. After the lift, we're able to clear some 35-inch tires easily with minimal modifications. We're installing a set of RRW RR7H flowform wheels in a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset. We're wrapping them up with a 35 12.5 17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2. And this is what it looks like on the vehicle. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in the city of Baldwin Park. We're about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. We have two buildings on the same block stocked with products up to the ceiling. So if you're looking for some products for your vehicle, come check us out. The Dobinson IMS package that we offer comes with the front and rear shocks, front and rear springs, upper control arms, and diff drops are an option and recommended for those without the TRD Off-Road package with the upgraded axles. We'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out on our website if interested. Our techs are wrapping up the job. We're torquing all four wheels and tires down to spec. We're gonna bring it out for a quick test drive next. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. 88 Rotors is an authorized and stocking dealer for RRW wheels. We bring these in by the containers. We're still running our promotion on the website, but it won't last long. Use promo code YouTube to get $100 off of a set of 4 wheels or $125 off of a set of 5. These are only good for the RR7H flowform wheels. Get them at the discounted rate while you can. Next up, we have a magnetic gray metallic Tundra TRD Pro that's in for a Westcott Designs lift kit. This kit gives you about 2.5 inches of front lift using a preload collar and a top shim. It also comes with a bump stop spacer for the front end. The rear gets a shock spacer and a coil puck that gives you about 1 inch of rear lift. With a lift like this, you can easily fit some 35-inch tires on the factory BBS TRD Pro wheels, like we did here. Let's bring this bad boy out for a test drive now. Next up, we have this brand new 2024 Tundra 1794 limited edition in Windchill Pearl. There will only be 1,500 of these worldwide. They come with a factory 2.5-inch diameter Fox internal bypass shocks with piggyback reservoirs. They are 1.1 inch higher than all the other standard models. This limited edition is only offered in 4 colors. The Windchill Pearl that you see here, Midnight Black Metallic, Blueprint, and Smoked Mesquite, one of the OGs of the 1794 colors. So what happens when the special Fox 2.5 bypass shocks are not enough? We ditched them for the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series shocks with remote reservoirs and dual speed compression adjusters from Fox. We maximize the performance of the front end by pairing it up with a set of billet cambered kinetic uniball upper control arms. There are a lot of little cool things about the limited edition 1794, as you can see the emblems that you see right there. We'll get in closer so you can see the factory Fox 2.5 piggyback shocks. As mentioned earlier, we're going to rip these out and install some 2.5 Performance Elite Series with DSC. We're also lifting the rear with some Old Man Emu lift springs. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're rocking with some Volk Racing TE37XT wheels in 18x9 with a plus 15 offset in bronze. Look at the cool interior in this limited edition model. And numbered. This one right here is number 557 of 1500 of the limited edition 1794 series. We're also installing some Baja Designs LP4 ditch lights on here with amber rock guards. We're also installing a TRD Pro style grille that the customer brought in for us, and a Baja Design light bar behind it. Underneath in the bumper, we also installed the Baja Design S2 fog light setup. Next up, we have this Tundra TRD Pro that we just installed a Westcott Designs lift kit on. We also did some RRW RR7H wheels on here in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset. We wrapped it up in a 35 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country RT tire. Next up, we're bringing in another 3rd generation magnetic gray metallic Tundra Platinum. This one is also a 4x4 with the TRD off-road package that we're installing a Westcott Designs lift kit on. Speeding it up, the preload collar lift kit has been installed. We also installed a set of Method MR305s in a double black finish, 17 by 8.5 size with some 35 12.5 17 needle ridge grapplers. We all still have a lot of love for the 2nd generation Tundras, don't we? Here's one getting a body mount chop to clear some 35-inch tires. As you know, the older Tundras take a little bit more work to clear 35-inch tires. It's not as easy as the new 2022s and up. We're installing a set of King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks on this one with some Camberg tubular uniball upper control arms. And we're also lifting the rear with some lift shackles. Since we have some more time, let's bring in another 2nd generation Tundra. This one's also getting another King setup. Kings, 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks all around, rear lift shackles, and some Camberg upper control arms. Flicking back over to the other Tundra, we finished installing the King and Camberg setup on it. The body mount shop has also been completed. Next, we're going to throw on the new wheels and tires. We're running a set of Method MR305s on here. This classic wheel came in a 17 by 8.5 size, and we're wrapping it up in a 35 12.5 17 BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO2. There you have it. This one's pretty much complete. We're going to bring it out for a quick test drive now. And this one's all completed with the Method MR316s and some 35-inch tires. Thank you very much for tuning in today, guys. We greatly appreciate it. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care, guys, and thank you very much for your continued support.